Jamaican tag, it's a Jamaican thing. Wait for it, wait. So guys, I have a Jamaican tag for you, and it is not an ethnic tag, nor is it an accent tag, but it is a, let me tell you, would you rather have. So I have the questions right here. Alright, I'm going to ask you. You can choose to, while I ask, guess what you think I would prefer, and you can also think for yourself and do your own tag, okay? So the first question is, would you rather have oxtails or curry goat? Well, I'm gonna have to choose oxtail over curry goat, because sometimes the curry goat tends to be a little bit tough and chewy. I mean, if you cook it well, yes, it's soft, but sometimes the curry goat is not all there. Well, some people would disagree with me, of course, but I think I tend to prefer oxtails right now. Okay, second question. Gungo peas, rice and peas, or red peas, rice and peas? Well, your girl here is going to be gungo peas, rice and peas. Okay. Number 3. Chicken foot or chicken soup? I'm going to choose chicken soup. Okay. Next question. It would not be appropriate for me to film this video and not have this question. Okay. You'll see why I say what I say. So it's, would you rather have jerk pork or jerk chicken? I'm a jerk pork girl. Yes, I love pork. Not that I don't eat jerk chicken or I don't enjoy jerk chicken, but I just prefer jerk pork. Alright. Tripe and beans or cold foot and beans? Well, between the two, I don't really like either of them. But if I had to choose, I would say tripe and beans, because I've come to acquire the taste for tripe and beans. If you're going to give me cold food, I will eat some of it, but I would probably really rather have the gravy with the rice than have the cold food, you know. But anyways, the texture type thing. And the next question is soursop juice or carrot juice? Yes, it's going to be, yes, carrot juice for you, girl. Yes, carrot juice with limes or lemons in it with the sugar. So good. And the next question is tamarind balls or stewed tamarind? I love tamarinds, but if I'm gonna have to choose between tamarind balls and stewed tamarind, it's going to definitely be tamarind balls. So the next question is hog plums or regular plums? Let me see, this is a difficult one, but I think I'm probably kind of tie on this one. I'm not sure if it's allowed for a tie, because I enjoy both. And let me see, number 10 is sky juice. This has a 3-component, this is a 3-component question. Sky juice, suck or bag juice? Well, think what you think your girl would choose. Suck. I'm a suck girl. Yeah, sky juice and bag juice. Okay, alright, but I'm a suck girl. Homemade suck. Very nice, very nice. Okay, 11. This is more old school type of thing. Buster or stretcher? I think I'll go for buster. Stretcher is just always tying up your, you know, messing up your teeth, and you have to be moving your mouth just too much. But anyway, if you have ever had it, you know what I'm talking about. So it's gonna definitely be buster for me. Alright, next question, number 12. Asham or coconut with roast corn? Let me see. 2 of these are good, but if I had to choose, throwback to the days, school days, you know, Asham, I'd probably choose the Asham. Yeah. the next question, custard apple or sweet sap? Now I'm torn between these two. It's two things that I love very, very much. But if somebody was offering me and say sweet sap, sweet and nice, and custard apple, nice, and I'm just choosing at this minute here which one I'm gonna choose, because if you had asked me before, boy, I couldn't choose between the two. But I think I'm more leaning towards probably custard apple, because you have some really, really nice custard apple out there. Sweet sap too, but kind of iffish. I'm torn. Confess, I'm torn. Okay, the next question, I'm gonna only make it 15 questions, so I have one more after this. Cream crackers or tough crackers? Without a doubt, without a shadow of a doubt, cream crackers. Cream crackers is so nice. If you have ice cream, you can, you know, crumble it up in your ice cream and all that and have it. Oh my God, so good. And Bulla and cheese or bun and cheese? I'm a bun girl, so I choose bun and cheese over Bulla and cheese. Well, that's all I have for the Jamaican tag here. Would you rather have? And you are free to go ahead and use this tag and tag me along with it as well. Let people know where you found this tag, and I really do hope that you enjoyed it and it brought back some memories from yesteryear. And you young ones, you've been challenged. If you didn't know some of these things, go ask your folks about them, what they are, and especially like the stretcher and so on. Ask your folks, ask people that you grew up with. Some of you might already know as well, but I'd love to do another tag. I really was excited about this tag, and I'm going to ask you please to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I have new uploads. And please share the video. Leave me a comment if you'd like to, a nice comment, and of course like the video so I'll know that I can continue to make or produce videos like this that you would, for your viewing enjoyment. Okay, all right, talk to you later guys. See you again. Bye. Thank you for watching.